Mercedes-Benz has been changing the nomenclature for its cars to make model identification easier. After renaming the SUV range to start with the letters GL, they have now turned their attention to the Roadsters, which will now begin with the letters SL, and the third letter will denote the level of technology that underpins the car. In that light, the SLK has now been renamed as the SLC, as it borrows most of its technology from the C-Class. The SLC though isn't an all-new car, but a mid-life makeover for the current entry hardtop convertible. The facelift gives it new bumpers, revised taillights with a darker detailing, new headlights with all-LED headlamps, a diamond grille like the GT, a new interior trim, a few nips and tucks to the instrumentation and the switchgear, and the latest command infotainment system with a new 7-inch screen that replaces the older 5.8-incher. Under this refresh, Mercedes-Benz has only revealed details of the SLC 300 and the SLC 43 AMG. There is no word yet on the SLC 350, which will replace the SLK 350 in India. The SLC 300 uses a 2-litre inline 4-cylinder turbo petrol that puts out 241 PS of power and 370 Nm of torque. The more hardcore AMG chucks the SL55's 5.5-litre V8 for a 3-litre bi-turbo V6. It comes from the SL440, but this one gets a newer engine management software and more boost to bump up efficiency. It produces 362 PS of power at 5,500 RPM and 520 Nm of twist at a mere 2,000 revs. The requisite AMG badges, scoops and trim make their presence evident. The SLC will go on sale in the international markets by early 2016, but India will have to wait till mid or late 2016.